This was the 2nd Low Altitude Air Defense Battalion's Stinger Live qualification in support of their annual training. All 7212s are required to come out here to maintain proficiency in support of the MACG. 2nd Live Battalion is the only air defense within the Marine Corps. It's important for these gunners to maintain their qualifications so when we do go forward, that they can get the highest percentage of kill against the enemy aircraft.
When you see that missile fly and you got gas in your face and it smokes the aircraft, you just get a really good feeling about what you're doing and what you could possibly do in country or on a MU to save a lot of Marines or sailors or anybody. It's like nothing you have ever done in your life. It's just an adrenaline rush.